Have you got plumbing problems? Do you need a plumber fast? Then give us a call. Do you have water damage from a burst pipe, water heater problems, a blocked drain, or a leaky faucet? We know there are a lot of plumbers you can choose from. So if you're looking for a plumber that's affordable, dependable, reliable, licensed and insured, and believes in superior service, then we're ready to help with all your plumbing repairs. Need emergency plumbing repairs? Call us now.